performance.
Nice performance. Superb.
Wow, what a beautiful dance it was.
Yes.
Oh, there is a puppet show. Let's go there.
Okay, Subhajit, let's go there.
Oh, this puppet show is performed by Avnish.
Yeah. Unmute Avnish.
So let's see Avnish's performance.
Avnish, unmute beta.
Welcome to my puppet show. Today I'm going to show you a puppet show about teamwork. Once upon a time, there were 4 friends. Fairy of the jungle, Julie, rabbit, monkey, and cow. They used to play together. The team and the bonds of friendship were too strong that the 2 predators, the snake and the tiger, couldn't hunt any of them. But one day, all 4 had a fight. So, monkey and the cow went far away from the jungle. When tiger followed them. When tiger tried to attack monkey, they both tried to escape. They were too close to their death. When tiger got tired, they found their way back to the jungle. And then they all 4 understood the lesson of teamwork and they decided never to leave the team. Thank you.
Wonderful, Avnish. Thank
Very
you.
nice. Awesome.
Arre.
Subhajit.
Shubhojit, please continue.
Shlok and Shubhajit, start beta.
Oh, this
Shlok, you
puppet
can
show.
take over.
Yeah.
Oh, this puppet show was very, very nice.
Yes, puppet show was awesome.
Yes, now the puppet show and dance is done. Now I want to make a tattoo.
Yes. See, there is a stall by Shaurya and Mokshit. I will make pen tattoo, Shlok. What about you?
I will make Mehendi tattoo from Mokshit.
Okay, let's make the tattoo.
Hi Shlok,
Yeah.
hi judges. Come to my stall. I have an album. In that, which one you want, you can take. These 2 are Arabic mehendi, and these 2 are full hand mehendi. Which one you want, Shlok?
I want aerobic Mehendi.
Okay, wait for a minute.
Monali Miss and Sheetal Miss would like to have which mehendi?
Yeah, even I would like to have the Arabic mehendi. Mokshit.
Okay.
Yes,
me
too.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
for Monali Miss, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Do Yes, you come?
Shaurya, do you have some pen tattoos?
Yes, of course. Why not? I have many tattoos and
Do
various
you?
type of tattoos. So welcome to my stall. And I have various type of tattoos. Come and get one. I can write names, I can make animals, and I can also make insects. So which one would you like?
Can you make a Spider-Man?
Of course. Why not? Here I'll show
Okay.
you.
Please
Just
make.
write on.
Okay.
But are you making free of cost, Shaurya? Are you making free of cost or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. We will surely have them. It's free. Yeah. Right?
I can make the symbol of Spider-Man.
Great. So Shubhajit, did you have a tattoo from Shaurya or not?
Yes, I had a tattoo. See this tattoo. This is so beautiful.
Wow, Shubhajit, this is very interesting. I'll also get one tattoo. So Mokshit,
Yes.
we'll come
Yes.
to you. Wow, sorry.
Wow, Shaurya.
Wonderful. Next, let me take Shubhajit, take us to some another stall. We are waiting.
Yes. It is too sunny outside. I want to buy some sunglasses. Let's go to your stall to buy some sunglasses.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to your stall.
You know, today I saw Yash stall. I also went. Na, he is having so many colorful sunglasses. Yes.
Oh,
Welcome to your
Which one would you like to
sunglasses.
buy?
Which pair of sunglasses do you want to buy?
I want to buy that red and black one.
I want to buy that. I want red and black.
Thank you for
Heart shape.
giving. Take these coins. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, this sunglass is awesome. How is it look?
It's awesome.
Do you want
And
to
it's
buy
looking
some?
good on you.
Do you want to buy?
No, I don't have. I mean, I don't have some money. I have it at my home, so I can't take it right now.
Okay. Look at those paintings. They are very beautiful. Should we go to that? Let's go to that stall.
Yes,
Oh, these are Sriraj and Arna Singh stall.
these are painting stalls.
Sriraj, this is actually a surprise for all of us. So Nali Miss, Sheetal Miss, Monali Miss, he's the one who didn't show us his stall and now he's presenting his stall over here. So
Okay.
tell us which painting do you want to get from him? Sriraj,
Wow, what a
tell us
stall
your work.
Sriraj is having.
I want to see.
Shipra Miss
I
Isha.
Viraj's painting is as usual. It's excellent.
Shipra Miss, please invite Josna ma'am. Na, I'm
Look
not
at
able to invite
and
her.
look at him. He is so cool with it.
Wow,
Looking,
these
Sriraj,
paintings
I
are
would like that
very
Lion
beautiful.
King. I would like the Lion King drawing.
Welcome to the IT boy shop, and this is Sriraj. See, these are some of initial drawings which I have used. By now, for such sketch, it would cost you $20, and for paintings and oil pastel drawings, it would cost $30. Now, let me show you some of my arts. This is Kanha, which I have drawn as it's a border art.
Sriraj,
Superb it
excellent.
is,
And
Sriraj.
this is the parrot.
And
Wow, these paintings are very beautiful. I would like to buy one.
I would like to have that Santa Claus for my class.
Yes.
it's
Same.
excellent.
And I would like to have that painting of Joker.
It's
Sriraj, please give me that lion one.
everybody
Did
knows.
you see Shubhajit Arnav Singh is also having painting stall? Would you like to buy
Yes.
something from him?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I want to buy from him also.
Yes. Let us check out Arnav. What all do you have?
Please show
I
your
would like to buy that scenery Arnav from you.
Painting. It will cost $80, and this will cost. This will too cost $80.
Oh,
Now let's do
wow.
Nice
very
painting.
Nice. Sriraj.
No.
now let's move to Arnav Singh's stall. Thank you, Sriraj.
Yeah.
Sriraj, you are on mute, beta. We can't hear you.
Welcome, Shlo. I am presenting you the painting stall. This is my painting stall. This is the shopping of 5 for social awareness. This is Indian flag superheroes for all, and this is superheroes for Captain America, and this is Lord Ganesha. If you want to buy my drawing, you buy by paying the amount, and price are written here. Hope you like.
Kind of saying.
Wow, these paintings are very beautiful. I would like to buy that Captain America one. Would you go?
And I would like to
I
buy
am
that
interested to
Indian
buy.
flag.
But
How
do you
much
have
did
online
it cost?
payment?
How much did that Captain America one cost?
6 rupees.
Oh,
And
okay, I
how much
will
that
get
Indian flag?
Very beautiful.
Shubhojit,
Then how
we
much that
wanted,
Indian flag one cost?
Which one?
Indian flag.
Rupees is 110.
Okay,
I
so
would like
let
to
us,
buy this.
you know, there is a Joker also. Did you see him, Shlok? Did you see
Yeah,
the Joker's
when I was
performance?
looking
Yeah.
for the
He
stall,
is
I
looking
found
wonderful.
Joker. Let's go
Yes.
to the Joker.
Yes.
Oh, they are
Oh my God,
Abud
what did
and
you do,
Prince.
Jokers?
Oh, they are Abud and Prince.
Yeah.
Yeah, Prince, let us start our game.
Yes.
It is not coming. Oh, yeah. It is not going. Wait, I will try again. Yeah. What is in this bag actually? There is a box. Take this, Prince. It is so heavy. Oh, I want to take it. It is so heavy. It is so heavy. Let me check what is in it. What? A plastic. Thank you.
What a funny dance, funny Joker.
Oh my God, the performance was very nice and funny.
Yes, what the heavy bag and all.
Yes, it was very funny and nice also. Slok, I am feeling hungry. Are you feeling hungry?
Yeah. Can you have some snacks?
Yes, let's go to the food stalls.
Oh, there are so many food stalls.
Take Monali Miss, Sheetal Miss and Sonali Miss also along with you. Huh? We are also
Yes, ma'am,
feeling too
you also
hungry.
come.
Huh,
Oh,
we are also
Arya
feeling
Joshi and
hungry.
Mahi are there. Arya Joshi is performing Maharashtrian.
Oh, Arya is,
Mahi is
Arya is-
performing Punjabi.
yes, Arya is making Maharashtrian food. Let's go to her first.
Hi,
Arya is
Shubhajit.
the Maharashtrian food.
Yes.
Hi, Shlok. Hi, Shubhajit. Welcome to Arya's authentic Maharashtrian food.
Hmm.
This is Puran Poli. It's sweet. This is Pitla Bhakri and Thecha. Thecha is spicy. This is Modak. Ukdiche Modak. They are fresh and sweet, garnished with kesar. This is thali pit with yogurt. And at last, this is our dessert, Shrikhanda. So where are you starting?
I want
Arya,
to
I
start
want
with
modak.
Puran Poli.
Arya, I want modak.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll start with
I love Puran Poli. First I would like to eat Puran Poli. I love it.
You can take.
Shlok, what do you want to eat?
I think
want to eat
Shlok,
modak.
listen, Shlok, I think you should go to Mahi's stall also. She's having something Punjabi. I know Punjabi taste. You try her stall once.
Oh, Punjabi food is also there. Yeah, I want to taste it one time. Shlok, let's go to my stall.
Yes.
Sat Sri Akal ji. आओ जी छोले पूरी खाओ जी ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਦਾ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਜੀ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ
After this nice chole puri, let's go to Yogendra's stall to taste some South Indian food.
Yes, South Indian
Yes.
food. Yes,
Puri.
Nice,
let's
Mahi.
My favorite.
Chole puri is looking yummy.
Yummy, yes, my.
now let's go to the Indian stall to eat some South Indian food.
Yes, the South Indian food is presented by Yogesh Reddy.
Garelu. Yes.
Yogendrini, you can start, beta. Start.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం వెల్కమ్ టు సౌత్ ఇండియన్ ఫుడ్ స్టాల్ టుడేస్ మెన్యూ ఇస్ పులిహోర టామరిన్ రైస్ గారెలు మేదు వడ పూర్ణాలు స్వీట్ వడ వాట్ వుడ్ యు లైక్ టు హ్యావ్
I would like to have Medu
I
Vada.
love Medu Vada. I want to eat Medu Vada first.
Yeah, even I want to have medu vada.
How much do it cost?
3 rupees.
But
Okay,
where is
that's
sambar? Yogendrini, where is sambar or chutney?
Miss, when we serve you plate, na,
Chutney.
it will be there.
Nali ma'am, what would you like to eat?
Yeah, I want to have medu vada with sambar.
When
Yes.
you take the plate,
Yogendrini, you
get sambar.
get it ready. You make the dish ready. By the time we'll take one more, we'll go ahead in the fun fair and we'll come back to you. Okay?
There is one more stall, na?
Yes, there is one more stall and it is Manwa stall.
Yes.
And the Manwa is giving us Delhi special food. So let's go to Manwa stall.
I am Manvapur. I am representing Delhi. I have dressed up like a Delhi girl. Delhi is a melting pot of various cultures and it has mouth-watering cuisine. Here I am serving aloo paratha. You can try this. This tastes yummy. This tastes yummy with this tomato chutney. It is yummy. You can buy it.
How much did it cost?
Yes.
It costs only 50 rupees.
Manva, shall I do
I would
online?
like to eat it. It is very nice.
Manva, shall I
would
do
like to.
online payment? Manva, will you accept my online payment, beta?
Yes.
Do you provide home delivery, Manva?
No.
No.
We have to.
Yes. So then we have to come to you, right?
Yes, to eat
Even
fish.
I
yeah.
also going to online payment.
Yes, COVID-19, it is risky.
Yes, so we are going to
Nice
pay you
work.
all online because it's very risky during the COVID-19 situation to have the touch part. So we'll pay you online. Okay, Manva?
Yes.
Thank you, beta. Your stall was very
So,
nice.
I hope now your tummy is full.
Yes, it's very
Yes.
full now.
Yes.
Now let's watch the hula hoop dance presented by Zai.
Yeah.
Let's watch.
Wow.
Wonderful, Sai.
Wow, they dance exceptionally well.
Yes. Very
Superb.
nice. Very
Dance
nice.
superb.
It was superb.
We were thinking it should go on and on and on. It should not stop.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes. Shlok, let's watch some magic.
Yeah, I am also now done. We are done with the various things. So let's watch magic show.
Yeah. Magic show is performed by Pranav Shinde.
Yeah. Pranav? Yes.
Welcome to Pranav's Magic Show. I am having two magic. See here. So the first one is a thread magic. These three threads are almost equal. I am going to make it uneven. See here. It became uneven. My second magic is card magic. And there are 5 cards. I'm going to make it as 2 cards. See here. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow,
What a show it was.
really
And
magic.
what a magic. It was really a big magic.
Yeah, I loved it very much.
5 cards into 2 cards.
Yeah. Shlok, I want to buy some things. Let's go to some shopping stalls.
Yeah.
See, there is a t-shirt stall by Varad. Let's go there first.
Yes, I would like to wear shirt first. T-shirt.
Varad, can I buy that blue t-shirt?
Yes, I would also like to buy the blue T-shirt. How much does it cost?
Okay, you take the blue t-shirt, I'll take another one. Varad, there is no voice, beta. You are not audible. And Varad, I can see a hat with you. I think Shubhojit, it's very hot. Do you need a hat?
How much does it cost?
It cost by 200 rupees.
Okay.
Oh.
Take this 200 rupees and give it to me, please.
Yeah, take it.
Thank you, Varad. Wow, this hat is very nice.
I
get that
wanted
blue
to buy few
shirt, please?
stationery also. So let's go to Abdullah's stall.
Yes, Abdullah is selling stationery material. Let's go to.
Yeah.
Hi, Abdullah. Please show us your stationery
Yeah,
material you want to buy.
Welcome to my Abdullah stationery stall. What
Oh, many things you have, Abdullah. I like to buy a pencil.
Abdullah, do you have pen? Because I in my school I want to buy some pens. Do you have it?
Yes, I also want pens and pencils for my sister.
Abdullah, I want few colors. So can you please give me the colors?
Yes, ma'am, you can take it.
Oh, I forgot to get a bag. Let me buy a bag. From there, I can see a bag stall. So Abdullah, please give me those crayons. I will take it.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Abdullah.
It is
Yes, there is a paperback stall by the Tejas.
Yes, so I wanted to
Hello.
buy a bag from
Yes,
there.
I
but
want to
forgot
also
to get a
buy.
bag.
I want to also buy a bag. There are so many things in my hand.
Oh yes. So let's
Hello,
go to
everyone.
his shop.
Welcome to my stall. I have paper bags and books. So, which type of paper bag you want? You want a designed one or you want a plain one?
I will
Can you
prefer
give
the
me-
design one.
Can you give me a design one?
Design one costs 35 rupees.
Yes.
Okay,
What
please
does
give me one design
bag
bag.
cost?
And are they eco-friendly?
Yeah, they are fully eco-friendly. And I suggest you stop using plastic bags and start using paper bags that are eco-friendly.
Yes. We should
And
do
I
that.
have books also.
Oh. Yes, I want to buy some books for my sister. How much
And
does
I'm
a
going to
book
study.
cost?
There are notebooks and test books. The notebook is for 25 rupees and the test book is for 50 rupees.
Did you see what the Joker
I
is
want
doing?
textbook.
Shlok, did you see what the Joker is doing? He's doing
Yes,
something very funny.
when I was moving to Tejas stall, I saw again the Jokers.
Yes, I also.
Let's go to
I
see
think
the Jokers again.
yes.
Thank you,
They are
Tejas.
very
Thank you,
funny.
Arad.
Let's go to see them again.
Yeah.
Hi, Abdul and Prince.
I think the Jokers are busy in their own activity. Why don't we move to the state-based stalls? There are some people.
They are entertaining other people.
Yes.
Arre, oh, you are there. Yes. Please show us some funny tricks.
It is not catchable.
It is not catchable.
I caught one balloon. I caught one balloon. It came to me. I caught it. It was very funny.
This performance is very funny.
Okay, did you see those state-based stalls? They are selling something related to their own states. I can see a Gujarati
Yes.
stall, Maharashtrian stall.
Amisha is representing Gujarat and Shaurya Jadhav is representing Maharashtra. So, look, first we should go on which stall?
I will go on Maharashtra first.
Yes,
Okay,
I
let's
would
go to-
also like to go first Maharashtra.
Okay, so let's go on the Maharashtra stall, which is represented by Shaurya Jadhav.
नमस्कार तुमचं महाराष्ट्रीयन कपड्याच्या दुकानमध्ये स्वागत आहे शौर्य जाधव इथे इथे पैठण्या आहे शेरवानी आहे and there are some salwars too and there are some beautiful jewelry that cost 5,500 and many more and there is one nawari and there is one jacket too and sarees many more. The range of purchases are from 5,000 to 28,000 and the range of Sherwani is from 2,000 to 7,000. So
Shaurya, I want to buy one Sherwani. How much does it cost?
which one? Which one?
I want that. I want that red one.
Which one?
I
Shlok,
want the blue one.
6,000. There is discount of 20%.
And
Shlok,
how
can
much
Shlok
does
just-
the
wait,
blue
wait.
one cost? How much does the blue one cost?
4,999.
Shlok and Shubhaji, just wait. I feel Sonali Miss wants to buy some Paithani stall, some Paithani. I can see that she is unmuted.
Yes. No, I'm not unmuted. I am unmuted. I thought you said I'm muted. I would like to buy that green color pattern over there. I can see it. Yes.
It's price for 16,000.
It's for?
16,000.
Yes, you can send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Monali ma'am, what
Yes,
would you like to
Sheetal
buy?
Miss, there are few more stalls. One is the Gujarati representing Gujarat jewelry and one is the fortune teller.
Monali ma'am, what would you like to buy?
Yes,
I would like to. I said no.
even
I would like to buy that pattern, and I can see swords over there. There are two of them.
Yes,
There's a
yes.
big one and there's a small one as well.
Now let's go to the Gujarat stall.
Yeah.
which is represented by Amisha. Hi Amisha. Please.
હું એકા ગુજરાતી છોકરી છું. મારી દુકાનમાં તમને ચણિયા ચોળી સહિતની બડી ગુજરાતી વસ્તુઓ મળે છે. તો પહેલે એક ગુજરાતી છોકરીના દુકાનમાં તમારું સ્વાગત છે. Which one would you like to buy?
I would like to buy red for my
What would you like to buy?
Yeah, I would like to buy the white and red for my daughter.
Yes.
It's looking very
And I would
pretty.
like the red one for my daughter as well.
Yes.
But then
Lovely.
that frock is
What is
quite. That
What
frock
is the
is
I
quite
want for my sister.
expensive.
I want for my sister.
Look, do you know there are some grooming stalls also?
Yeah.
Do you want to go there?
Yeah.
Before
Yeah,
you visit grooming stalls, na, just have a little bit of chat with Arjun. Arjun is telling us the future. Now today's future for fourth love and the competition between four love,
Yes,
four
who will
peace and
win?
five
We
love.
want to know
Who
by
will
Arjun.
Arjun? We are
Hi
excited to
Arjun,
know.
please tell who will win the fun fair.
Yes, today I am going to tell your future. So me too. Let's start to tell our guest future. So pick up a card. So this is the card I got. The future of our class is that our class is going to win. Thank you.
Yes, we are going to win.
Yes, we are going to win the fun fair.
Yes. Look, now let's go to the grooming stall.
Let's go to Vedehi stall. I can see so many bangles there.
Yes,
Ladies-
my mother would like to buy these bangles. I will buy some bangles for her mother.
Yes, Vedehi, what are you selling? Show Shubhajit.
Welcome to Wedding's Bangle Store. Here you can find varieties of bangles, like some with glass bangles, some with bangles, and some of glass. The glass bangles will cost you 100 rupees per dozen. The metal bangles will cost you 200 rupees per dozen. And we have bangles for small kids, which will cost for 20 rupees to 100 rupees.
Can you give me that golden one?
This
Yes.
is the designer set. It will cost for 300 rupees.
Okay.
Okay.
Please give me.
Along with this, Shubhajit, you buy a necklace from Pritika and
Yes,
Monali Miss and
jewelry.
yeah, and Monali Miss,
Yeah.
Sheetal Miss, we have a beautiful groomer over here. Mrunmay is going to paint your nails beautifully. She's a nail artist.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
Wow.
yes. We are waiting for it.
Yeah,
Yes.
jewelry, yeah, but I can see.
Kritika, please Kritika, please show me some necklace. I want to buy.
Yes, even I want to
We're
buy.
waiting for our nails to be done.
How much do that necklace cost?
This necklace cost of rupees 450.
Okay, please
We
give me
have a
that.
wide varieties of necklaces, earrings, and jewelry sets.
Wow, they are very beautiful. Can you give me that necklace?
And I also want a necklace for my mother.
Yes, this one.
Yes. I would like to buy that.
This will cost of rupees 450.
Okay, Pritika,
I
please
will
give
do
me.
online payment.
Okay, let's go to Mrunmay to get our nails painted. Huh? Mrunmay, paint our nails with the best of what you have.
Hello everyone.
Shubhajit and Shlok, please check the watch. We have something to attend after these. Please hurry up. जल्दी जल्दी पूरा देख लेते हैं. चलो चलो. Meanwhile, Sheetal Miss and Monali Miss, you can go to Mrunmay and get your nails done.
Yes, there is a cat
Yes.
Let's watch that.
That is about Mrunmay's nail art stall. I have some famous designs about the Q-tip designs and the Scotch tips. The Q-tip design nail arts are just for 60 rupees and the Scotch tip designs are just for 75 rupees per nail. and I have some famous nail art, means nail polishes, this and this, and I have another accessories, and these are some famous nail art designs that are just for suggested for my customers, special customers.
Thank you, Mrunmay. I'm going to surely come to your place.
Yes, even I am going to come. Okay,
Did
even
you-
I am going to come.
Look, see cat show. I want to
Yeah.
watch that.
That's a beautiful
Yes,
cat.
I
so
want to
sweet.
also.
Yes, that cat is very lovely and cute.
See, Nancy is doing the cat show. Wow.
Oh, Nancy is doing. Wow.
To my cat show.
Wow, yeah, the real ones.
Yes. Who are there?
Wow, this cat is very cute.
There are last few stalls left. I don't want to miss them. They are the handicraft. I'm going
Yes,
to buy something
I
for my
want
home.
handicraft item also. Look,
Yeah.
let's go to handicraft stalls. They are presented by Nishad, Abhiruchi and Aditya.
Wow, let
Yeah.
us see what they have in store. I will definitely buy something or the other for my home.
Nishad, please show us what do you have.
Nishad.
Namaste.
Okay, Aditya, you show us.
Welcome to my Swadeshi handicraft shop. You can buy here decorative handmade things like damru, flute, jewelry box, toran, and many more.
I want toran for my house because
Aditya, do you have the jewelry box? Because I want to keep the jewelry of my mom in that.
Yes, I
How
have.
much do it cost?
It costs 20 rupees.
Okay, please
how
give me
much
that.
and how much does toran cost?
It costs 100 rupees.
Okay, I will put it and I will do online payment. I will
Let's
see.
go to the Abhiruchi stall. Let's
Yes.
what items are there.
I can see some items for mama. Do you want to buy Shlok for your mother? You have not taken anything for your mother. Shubhojit bought some bangles and the necklace, I remember. But Shlok,
Ma'am,
would you like
I bought a Paithani, but I want to buy some more for her.
okay for your home? Okay, Abhiruchi, what all do you have?
Hello, I have some letters and if you want to buy some bangles for your mother, I have so many varieties. Look, I have so many bangles.
Wow,
Yes.
these are wonderful. And you know, there is a pair
I
of
want that.
and did you see a couple is there, a wooden couple with Nishad? I would like to buy that.
Yeah.
How much is the price of that wooden couple that you have?
Ma'am, 600 rupees.
Oh, can I do online payment and you will drop it at my home?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I would like
Actually,
to do
I
a
love
online
those
payment.
Nisha?
small pots.
Monali,
Slow.
Monali ma'am is asking something. Shubhojit, let Monali ma'am talk.
Yeah. Yeah, the pots, the small pots, colorful pots are looking very pretty, Nishan. What is the price of that?
Ma'am, 35 rupees.
Yeah, so
Shall
even I
I
have the
like one pot from that? It's
yeah,
really cute.
and the toran from Aditya, the blue colored toran.
Ma'am,
The
ma'am,
blue
which
one,
you want?
that blue one is really very cute.
Yeah.
This?
Yes, Nishad.
Shlok, after
Nice.
all the enjoyment, eating and shopping, I am left with some coins only. Let's try our luck on the game stalls.
Yeah, I would also like to play some games now because all is done now. Games are remaining.
Wow, there is a coin game by Hamiz. Let's play it first.
Yeah.
Hello, Hamiz.
Hello friends, today in this fun fair I have put a stall of coin game. Here you will get 5 coins for rupees 10 and you have to put the coins into the glass by throwing it. If you are able to put minimum 3 coins in the glass, you will get an exciting prize from this. So hurry up friends and try your luck.
Hamiz, take these 10 rupees and give me those 5 coins.
Here you are.
And I am doing online payment for just 10 rupees. So
Yeah, I won. I throw 3 coins in the glass.
What do you want? Bunny, cap, fish or a helicopter?
Can you give me that helicopter?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
oh,
Welcome.
I won
I
too.
threw.
I won this teddy. I won this teddy at his stall.
Wow, man,
threw
this is
I
very nice.
threw. And 4 coins go in the bowl.
So, see, there is a flip the water game by Rutuja. Let's play that.
Yeah. I will be trying that blue one bottle.
Hello, Rutuja.
Hello? Yeah. Yes, you can start. Your voice is too low, too low.
I think she has a beautiful game with water, colorful bottles. And if we are going to mix those waters, I played it just before a minute only. When you both were playing with that coin, I was doing this water bottle game.
Oh, man. Oh, look, see, there is a Rajma Bean game also by Sai.
Sai,
Yeah,
show
I
us
would
the
also like
Rajma
to do
Bean
that.
game.
Hello everyone, my name is Sai. This is my stall name 1 Minute Bean Challenge. We need some straw, 2 bowls and some beans. We first have to take a straw, hold it in the bowl and put it in another bowl. You can play this game with your parents and your friends also. We have 30 seconds to play this game. So my friend Arushi will help me in this.
And do we get some gift prizes?
Yes.
Monali ma'am and Sheetal ma'am, would you like to play this?
Yes, we both would like to surely play that. This
Yes, we like to
1
play.
minute game.
Yes, it is very nice.
So please do the payment first, or the bean founder will be get triggered.
I played this game, Sai. Do you remember? I got this pillow just now.
Wow, the gifts are very exciting. The prizes are exciting. So we should
This
play
was-
Sheetal Miss.
I won in one game. That was the bottle game.
Yes.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, go.
Shubhajit, we all had so much fun in this fun
yeah,
fair.
ma'am.
Thank you for bringing us.
Shlok, do you have enjoyed
Time
this
is
fun
up.
fair?
Yes, I have very
More than me.
I was very excited, and now I am very tired, and I have enjoyed it very much.
Yes, I have also enjoyed it very much, and I hope this fun fair will come soon next year.
Yes. See you, Shubhojit.
See you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed it too.
Yes, yes. Grade 5, it was really very nice.
Yes, amazing it was.
I hope you all enjoyed it too.
All the kids of standard 5, good.
Monali ma'am, Monali ma'am, Sonali ma'am, and Sheetal ma'am, have you
Excuse me.
enjoyed?
Yes,
Yes, we enjoy.
Ma'am,
Yes.
have we done it in
Ma'am.
time limit?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Not a single minute we were looking here and there. We were just, both of you went us to from starting to the end of the fun fair. So it was very adventurous.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Shlok and
Being
Subhojit
also-
were talking continuously. So then,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Already bye.
I need to welcome you and Suja ma'am, Kritika miss. I'm very sorry I didn't interrupt the kids in between. We welcome you all to towards the end of the fun fair and would like to have your comments too.
And when they came,
Beta, they
Excuse me,
joined
ma'am.
the middle and you all were not aware.
oh, ma'am.
I'm really not aware.
Suja ma'am, have you enjoyed our fun fair?
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'm Jyotsna. Children, okay, ma'am has also joined. Okay, children, it was excellent. I'm telling you, and what I like, your teachers' efforts are there. And nobody asked me what I would want to buy. I would want to buy all the stalls along with the things, along with the stall owners. I love the stall owners also very much.
Yes.
Thank you, children.
Ma'am, what about the anchors?
Thank you, ma'am.
I will take the
Hello.
note.
Hello.
Suja ma'am,
Yes,
yes
this is
ma'am.
yeah. Actually, I was in degree school today, and I think fortunately for me, it is fortunate that your session started late, and I could see, my God, the bangles, the saris, Maharashtrian stall, and Maharashtrian one food stall also was there. My God, I really felt like going everywhere and
Ma'am,
buying.
have you enjoyed our fun fair?
Ma'am, have
Wow.
you enjoyed our fun fair?
Excellent. And it's a professional RJ, DJ, and all sitting there. The way they are sitting, my God, it's too good. It's too good. And really, children, I don't feel that you were not a part of City Pride School still last year. And I can really see that culture has already built in you.
Thank
You're
you, ma'am.
really City Pride now.
ma'am.
So next time when you come to
ma'am.
standard, we will just recreate these things. Okay?
Yeah,
Amazing.
ma'am.
Yes ma'am, we all are
All
waiting
so
for that.
so
Ma'am, we are just waiting eagerly for that.
Oh, definitely. Even
Yes, ma'am, we are waiting eagerly when the physical school will start and then we will meet our teachers and friends physically.
Right. Same here, beta. Same here. Even when I sit in school every day, I really feel it's all empty. I'm just sitting in a deserted land. I'm just waiting for your sound. Okay, come soon.
Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
Hope
Shall we
we
end
love
the
Thank you,
meeting?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So bye, kids.
Thank you Manali.
It was a really
Bye,
very.
ma'am. I hope you all
Bye.
enjoyed it.
Bye. Yes,
Bye,
yes,
ma'am.
really. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Someone was speaking.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Athar. Ma'am, I did not get the chance.
Atharv's stall is missed. Atharv, you have a beautiful pair of birds. Show it to the judges. Sonali miss is here.
Yeah, I am there.
Monali miss is also here. No, she's
Ma'am,
not.
I didn't show the mehendi.
Atharva, is it, are they real birds?
Yes. Atharv, you are muted, Vita.
Yes, ma'am. They are the real birds and they are called the love birds.
Yeah, they are really beautiful, Atharva.
Atharva, I want to buy one. How much does it cost?
One bird costs 100 rupees.
But you know, Shubhojit, I have heard that you have to buy them in pairs.
Yes, I would buy both the birds.
Yes.
So you will cost 200 rupees for
Yes,
one
I
pair.
will do online payment to you. Is it okay?
Okay. This is the QR code.
अथर्व यू आर नॉट सीन बेटा, थोड़ा सा साइड में ले लो. आई वांटेड टू क्लिक अ फोटो. हाँ, perfect.
And Atharv, you know, I'll buy, or Shubhojit also, if he buys, we are going to gift it to the judges. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Atharva, they are very beautiful.
Jyotsna ma'am is also asking for something. Jyotsna ma'am.
I said they are asking for online payment. Don't send the birds also online. They will.
Word online no करता नहीं sir.
Vajit was asking something when I spoke. You were asking whether we enjoyed or not. Something you were saying, Subhajit. We enjoyed very much. Frankly, very much, really.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I would be there. I thought I'll just watch little bit program and I'll leave. Since morning we've been busy, but it was really like captivated our interest. You know, you kept us bound to the chair and we did not leave. Fantastic.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can we leave?
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
now we hope that
Ma'am,
we
can
win.
we leave? Show the mehendi.
Ma'am, now we hope that we win.
वाला है अर्जुन का भविष्यवाणी.
Ma'am.
Mokshit, wait, I am
Mokshit drew
clicking
a
the
beautiful
photo.
mehendi on his sister's hand, I guess.
Yes.
मोक्षित थोड़ा हाथ नीचे लो ना बेटा, आपका फेस नहीं दिख रहा है. हाँ.
Yes.
आप एक फोटो भी क्लिक करके भेजो, मोक्षित.
Shipra, now we know that we have students who can draw mehendi also.
Yes. And